just like Mom.
Do not be late. Dinner is ready.
You made that.
Yes.
Too simple. That's a mess.
I can fix it.
Then bring it in properly.
Mom made this.
She ruined dinner. Oh, Clara. I did not.
Dad,
You saw her.
Clean it up.
That was Mom's recipe. I am done.
let me help you.
I give you this.
I thank you. I can work.
Yes. Wash dishes.
I need to try harder.
Remember to stir constantly, Clara, and don't let the heat get too high.
I smell something burning.
Oh no, I have to do something.
You touched my pot.
I am sorry.
Again.
Again? Yes. I'm so clumsy.
Again. Let's just wait until it's done.
We must keep trying. I mustn't give up. I have to try harder.
Good job, Gra. Keep trying.
Perfect.
This is a reward for your efforts.
Wow.
One more service. 5 years later, Clara opened her own restaurant. This was her world now.
I did it!
Congratulations, Clara.
Thank you. It's all thanks to you.
Let's all work together.
Excellent. Okay, let's get this dish out.
Amazing!
Thank you, everyone.
Clara, you truly deserve it for all your hard work.
I'm feeling so happy. All my hard work has finally paid off.
This is impossible. The circuit shouldn't be active.
No. I can't believe it. Oh no! That's Clara.
I don't believe it's true.
We have to go there to verify.
No recording inside.
She owns this.
All of this belongs to her. Unbelievable.
Clara!
Mr. Whitmore, what did you call me for? You look so successful. No, thank you. That night was an accident. No, I don't think so. Look what this is!
What is that?
The kitchen division. You bought it! I bought back the things you guys deleted.
That was business.
So is this.
I signed those papers.
You did not ask.
Can I come back? I really miss it.
As a customer.
We are family.
Family saves you a seat.
It tastes the same.
It tastes better now.